Hello from Anaheim.
Hello from Disneyland.
Guys, we are so excited because we are finally back again. We were here 3 weeks ago.
Yep.
Didn't do a lot of vlogging. Today, we're just going to show you around, just have a fun day. Our first time back in Disneyland.
Seeing characters, getting some food, riding some rides we haven't rode. Right. We're just kind of enjoying it. People seeing.
Yeah.
Oh. Yep.
Super thrilled. Like I said, we were here 3 weeks ago. We didn't do a lot of vlogging, but this is our first time back to Disneyland.
If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit the bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. We are so excited to bring you Disneyland for the first time in 12 years.
And Disney California Adventure.
Yes, you heard that right. Right? 12 years.
Long time. I brought you here first time.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, enjoy the video.
Okay, so we are here at the Jolly Holiday Bakery. We got a chocolate croissant for breakfast, and then for dessert, we got a Matterhorn macaroon. We have a Mickey bat, and then we have a holiday brownie. And if you cut into it, it has to be in the middle. Oh no, there's M&Ms in the middle. Looks pretty cool. It's breakfast. We are waiting for Haunted Mansion. That's gonna be our first ride today.
Yeah, using the different memory.
Yeah. So.
And we're excited. Matterhorn's back up.
Yeah, it just came up. Well, like last week it came up. So we're really excited. Bon appetit. Myth Amber. Is this a miss? Or is it good?
Oh, it's alright. But for breakfast?
No. What'd you do to me?
Brian doesn't like coconut. And the Matterhorn is like, it's a macaroon, right? Not like a macaroon, like, I don't know if I said it right. But it has coconut in it. Brian's like, oh, it's like sponge cake, is it? I said, no, just try it. He doesn't like coconut, and he tried it.
Yeah.
Tell him what you did.
So I'm like, yeah, why did you do it to me? It was just like that too.
How was yours?
Croissant was very, it wasn't warm at all. I think it was a huge miss. It has this like chocolate in it. I like, it wasn't flaky at all. It was just like a hollow shell. But the pastry was good, the chocolate wasn't. But the brownie was really good. But again, it's not breakfasty at all. But we got our sugar rush. We're waiting 20 more minutes and Haunted Mansion. We missed it last time, so we're
We
really
saw a
excited.
few characters already. We'll have to insert like pictures that way you can see
Yeah.
the characters we saw.
Yeah, we saw, and they're all dressed up for Halloween. Amber's interaction with Dale, you guys, like, my regret was not recording it. It was just taking pictures. I thought I was just gonna be like, hi, okay, take a picture. No, she's like, oh my god, because she's wearing a Chip and Dale shirt, and he was,
Joe loves it.
yeah, and she said that Dale was number one, and he's sitting like, it's pretty cool.
This is cool.
It's neat.
You're so cute. It's Cloud 33.
So, we just got off of Haunted Mansion. So,
It's pretty cool.
last time we rode it was, what, 12, 13 years ago? And I don't remember it being that elaborate. You just said it was.
I do. I remember it being really colorful. Like, we're like, whoa.
Right.
It's pretty much the same thing at Disney World. It's just decorated
With Jack
from
and...
October, November, and December with Jack and Sally.
Right.
And Zero and Boogie.
Yeah, you know, and since we moved to this other camera, we're picking up so much better light, so it comes out great. So
Yeah.
I just like, I like it. I like the ride. I liked it.
You
didn't expect it. Sorry. I liked it a lot. I didn't expect what I did. Now,
I remember when we used to come all the time, like, it's not that big of a deal. But, like, when we used to come all the time, we're like, oh, it's whatever. It's not that big a deal. But now that you come back, like, oh, it's pretty cool.
but I've never seen, wait for it, I've never seen the movie. So I don't know like all the Easter eggs and stuff. I know from like Villains Night and stuff like that with Oogie Boogie and all that crap, but it's really cool. I enjoyed it. I had to watch the movie
So
this
then
year.
you should leave a comment and say, Brian, you need to watch the movie.
Yeah, for
You need
sure.
to watch Nightmare Before Christmas.
Yeah, we keep putting it on our list to watch, but we never do every year. This wouldn't be a Echo Travel Adventures vlog if we didn't show you the coins. Oh, those are cool. If we had a black light in our house, that's cool though. But we like our coins for sure.
Okay guys, we're in California Adventure and we just came to Five and Dime and we noticed all of his cool merch. It's so cool. And then this is new. Back. Ooh, it's glow in the dark. Tonight we fly, it says. Oh, this is Haunted Mansion stuff. Look at that, it's chess. It's a chess set.
I like it. I bet you don't play chess. And if you're following the main attraction, I think this is Dumbo. So here's the plush for Dumbo. Here's the lounge fly. And then the ears. That's really cool. We're still looking for... Okay.
Christmas work.
Okay. We're still looking... I think we're still looking for Small World. Yeah, all they have is a plush and heater. Then you got the saucers there as well. And then a lounge fly. They have a pillow that is like a tombstone with Madame Yoda. That's really cool. Haunted Mansion. So this is the ride we just got off of.
Zephyr.
The Golden Zephyr. It was not as intense as I remember.
You chose that one.
I did. Now we're on our way over to the Incredicoaster, formerly known as California Scream. Are you excited?
Where are you? I gotta find you before you get eaten. Ha ha! Gotcha. Oh, what are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here! Wait! Don't get out of here! I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found this tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are... well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move.
So we just got off the Guardians of the Galaxy Monsters After Dark. That's a mouthful.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Oh my god.
It's much more intense. I think the music is pretty cool.
Yeah.
The story is cool.
Yeah.
It kind of reminds me like HHN in a way. So I'm glad that Disney's doing this.
Yeah. I'm going to pipe in right here where the pre-show with Rocket, and then
And then maybe we'll insert our picture too.
Yeah. But it was a lot of fun. Highly recommended. The original, not the original, like the regular daytime ride is really cool, but the nighttime is even better, I think.
Yeah, I think so. And then with like the lights coming up and stuff, it's really cool.
Yeah.
Because then you see a lot more things.
Yeah.
Yes, we do miss Tower of Terror, but I really enjoy this a lot.
Yeah, agreed. Wouldn't you know it, it started raining after we got off Soarin'.
Yeah.
So we had to put this away. And yeah, we couldn't do an outro just because we couldn't say goodbye to you guys, which is kind of important for us. And as you can tell, Amber got fizzy.
I had to take my hair down because otherwise it would be like.
Yeah. We ended up walking, so that's why we did.
Yeah.
We're back in the hotel.
We did stop to get some dinner.
Yeah.
It was a late dinner, which is okay.
Yeah, for sure. It wasn't that bad of a walk actually. It only took about a half-hour walk.
I would stay here again.
Yeah, for sure.
And walk.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't that bad of a walk.
No.
Just when it rains and you're wearing sandals and you're like trying not to slip and slide everywhere. It's like whoa.
Yeah. I'm impressed because normally like when you have extra ticket events at Disney, they don't like have all those things out.
Yeah.
But they had a lot of the lights on. They had a lot of the stuff on.
Yeah, it was
pretty
cool. The music, like oh man.
Yeah.
I wish we could have at least tried to get Oogie Boogie Bash.
I know it was sold out.
They were just completely sold out.
Yeah, they said it sold out within like the first 24 hours or something like that. I don't know.
Long outro.
But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much. If you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for hitting. If you made it this far, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everything that you guys do for us.
Subscribe. We are so overwhelmed with all the love and support you guys have shown us so far.
Yeah.
Like, it's incredible. We left our P.O. box in the description, so if you want to send us, we're not asking for anything, but if you want to send us anything like challenges, gifts, anything cool you think we might like, that's awesome.
For sure.
Or letters, that would be great.
I agree.
Don't forget to comment as well.
Yeah. Thanks for everything, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.